Hi guys, Tuva here. Saturday the 18th of June and we are still in Aquarius. The moon is waning. A time for getting rid of things, a time for, getting goals in order to maybe sort something out that you've been wanting to do for a long time but haven't done. So we have the cards already shuffled and laid out, and I'm just going to pick one now, and here we go. Oh, I want that one there. I'm going to put that there, and we're going to shut these up. And put that there. And now we've got the runes. Now, the Elder Futhark. And I'm going to pick a stone or a rune. Go for that one. And one from the Witch's Rune. There we go. Okay guys, so we have our three things. Let's turn them over. So the card is the Eight of Swords. Basically, the lady is bound and she cannot move. So there's restrictions and she feels like the world is against her at the moment. Some kind of trap or jail is around her in a way. It seems as though whoever built the trap was a little lazy, leaving some open space. So basically she is trapped herself. She could escape if she really wanted to, but she's also blindfolded and can't see. What's preventing her from seeing is that she has no way of finding a way out of this trap, but she can if she really wants. And really all she's seeing is a depressed side, the grey skies and nothing really helping, and despair. She feels that there is no hope of breaking free, that whatever the situation that the card is depicting, she can't see a way out. But it's of her own doing, and there is a way out. But she can't see that at this moment. In the background you can see the sea. That is a clear pathway showing you a way away from that situation. But these swords sitting there are holding her in and stopping her from the freedom that she's needing to break what's causing it. But she could just actually walk away from the situation. Doesn't mean that you're powerless, guys, but you can deal with it. And you will also have a feeling that you have dealt with things when you get through, because there is definitely a way out. So let's look at the rune, and it is Anzus, which is Odin's rune, and it is about information. And I often think of it as like the lines of communication coming down. Reminds me of a telegraph pole basically, but it's about communication. And really it is true, if you're stuck in a situation and you get this rune of communication and answer, it's also the messenger rune. It's about knowledge and wisdom. Communication is the main thing. We all know what Odin represented, his abilities and his spirituality and all that he revealed. The answers to the questions are available. So the answers to her freedom are available. And this is you guys. You have the answers. It's whether you want to break free from what's binding you. Confirmations will be there as well. Everything will be of significance, and you need to keep your eyes open, not blindfolded like this lady. Don't ignore the message because you don't like the content, and I've said that many times. It's teaching you something. You need to acknowledge what that message is, and the message comes today from Odin, and you should take heed. You are in a situation that you can get out of, but you have to take that blindfold off and get out of those binds and walk through and see what's available. Don't just sit there and take it. Don't just sit there and be vulnerable, for the message is clear. Okay guys, so we're going to turn this one over, and it is the eye. And that's about using your psychic abilities, using things to enhance what you already know. You don't need psychic abilities to know what the answers are to the information you're being shown. And so your psychic ability go with your gut instinct. This rune comes to tell you to open up your mind, look for those answers, and then get yourself out of the situation. So there's the reading for today, guys. Hope you have a lovely day, and I will be back again tomorrow. Blessings on you all. So wherever you are, whatever time of day, night or evening it might be, I do wish you the best ever. House of Elaine.